You are going to love the 2018 Transit-250. The Transit-250 comes in numerous configurations, impressive payload, and towing capacities. It is comfortable and easy to drive and is priced below $40,000. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: traction control, air conditioning, power steering, automatic transmission, tilt and telescopic steering wheel, passenger airbag, power windows, remote power door locks, tachometer, power mirrors. Wouldn't you look great in this vehicle? Stop in today and see for yourself.